Hello, I'm Anna. Previously we created a chatbot from scratch. We have used various types of action, from carousel, chat transfer, to send email action to create our product recommendation and customer support bot. After creating the bot, we have evaluated the bot flow using the Test It Out button. If you haven't watched the video, you can find the link in the description below. In this tutorial we are going to demonstrate adding intent samples to respond to open-ended queries. Here is an example of what we want to achieve in this tutorial. We want to train our bot so that visitors can interact in natural language and bot can understand it and respond accordingly. Briefly, let's go over what we will be doing. In this tutorial, we will learn how intent sample works in REVE Chatbot and how you can train the bot to respond to open-ended queries. Let's dive right in. When a visitor asks open-ended queries, the untrained bot triggers the fallback node, displaying a fallback message. Let's ask a couple of open-ended queries like, do you have chatbots? Take me to main menu, or for example, I want to talk to live agent, or I want to report an issue. You can find visitors' open-ended queries that are not yet trained in the untrained submenu under the training tab. From there, you can train them according to different nodes. To train an untrained data, you have to select a node from the drop-down menu after clicking the Choose button. In this tutorial, for the Take Me to Main Menu question, we will select the main menu node, and for other questions, we will select accordingly. You can also train different untrained queries under same node. When the number of nodes cross a certain level, you can use the search bar in the drop-down menu to find a specific node. You will find all your trained data inside the trained menu. From there, if you want, you can untrain a data by clicking the Revert button. It will then return to the untrained menu from where you can either retrain it as you require. If you go to the Intent Sample menu, you will find the trained data according to nodes. For example, we trained the Take Me to Main Menu query under the main menu node, which is available when you click on it. Similarly, other trained data are available in their respective nodes. If your bot is new with no untrained dataset, you can manually add them by typing. You can also perform bulk training by uploading your available dataset using the Upload button. Now, let's test it out whether our bot can respond to open-ended queries when asked by clicking the Test It Out button. As you can see, when I type my question in natural language, without interacting with any kind of button or quick replies, the bot understands it and triggers the relevant nodes. And the visitor doesn't need to reframe the question similarly to the trained data, as the bot will execute ML algorithms to predict the response of visitors' queries. The more the number of data sets available, the more accurate will the bot's prediction be. So it is imperative to train the chatbot regularly. Thank you for watching the video. Hit the subscribe button with notification turned on. See you next time.